Model, 69-plate Vauxhall Vivaro L2 Sportive 2900 1.5, 100 PS, Turbo DS, S-Cat S repaired no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 107,322. MOT, the 14th of January 2025. Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUCD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect. Dual-mass flywheel is slightly rattling when it first starts. Once the van warms up, the noise goes away. It still starts and drives brilliantly, but will need this issue sorting in the near. Airbag light on the dash for passenger side pre-tensioner fault code. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, cruise control, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, Cat S in 2022. Cap retail, £8,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.